What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man. Coming at y'all with another video. This video right here, man, is basically in 2018, man. How to wash your waves, man. How to wash your waves in 2018, man. But this is only for when you're woofing, okay? So don't wash your hair like this when your hair is short. On a fresh cut, don't. I will be coming out with a video soon on how to do it when your hair is short. You know what I'm saying? Most of you guys already know how I wash when my hair is short and when it's long. You feel me? So when I'm woofing, when it's long, I wash my hair this way right here. So this is for pretty much the people who's new to the channel, and also for the people who, you know, just don't really know how to wash their hair when they're woofing. You know what I'm saying? Don't know about this method, don't know about nothing. Well, they know about stuff like how to brush to get waves, but you know what I'm talking about. But also this video right here is for people who waves that's already set. If your waves are not set, what I mean by set is when you already have waves in your hair, not just ripples. When you have waves, when you pass the ripple stage and you have waves in your hair already, you feel me? Like with a lot of forks, but waves. It doesn't matter how many forks you have. You can have a lot of forks, but just have waves. It's different between it's the difference between ripples, and waves. So if you have waves, meaning if your waves are set, then you want to do this method right here. Okay, so I'm about to run it down right here. This is a video I've done already before. And like I said, I'm about to do a lot of videos like these, pretty much reacting to my old video, you know what I'm saying, which is this right here. And yeah, run it down to y'all, man, full depth and basically on how to wash your hair. So I feel like this will be a dope video, you know what I'm saying? Just go in depth with it. And yeah, so let's get it, man. Keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB gang. So yeah, man, this video right here, how to make your 360 waves wider from curls to wave wash method. And yeah, this video, this method right here also have gotten my waves wider. No lie. Because pretty much your waves don't get wider if your hair get healthier. The healthier your hair is, the more curly your hair is going to be, the bigger your curls are going to get, which is going to make your waves wider. Facts. I ain't gonna sit here and sugarcoat nothing. I'm keeping 100. You already know how we get down, and that's what it is, man. But we finna get straight into the video, and yeah, man, I'm about to press play right now, man. So also this video right here was my most viewed video. I got about, I think, 2.7 million views on this video. So yeah,
what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy.
It was like over a year ago.
AKA Rope God. Rope God.
Rope God. Yeah. I didn't even say yeah then.
Hey, it's finally here. It's finally here. You guys kept on asking me like, man, when are you going to drop this video? I saw the sample of it from Curls to Waves, but I want to see the full video. Like, how do you do it?
Right. All right, I'm going to have to skip through this though.
How to do it from
right there, I'm pretty much just showing you how your hair, like a little snippet of it.
So the reason why I tried this method is because I was just like, man, I came to work, you know what I'm saying, and then I'll give y'all the, you know what I'm saying, the feedback on it. So that's what I'm doing right. I'm gonna show you guys the results fresh.
Okay, so right here, at this point right here, I'm pretty much just combing my hair out. My hair is dirty right now. I'm combing it out, getting ready to hop in the shower and pre-wash the dirt out. You get a pre-wash out. Honesty Dream out here too, my daughter Honesty Dream, man. You know, I gotta work, but at the same time, I gotta watch my kids. So, you know, feel me? Hey, it is what it is. But yeah, man. So basically right here, I'm combing in my hair, getting it ready to get in the shower, you feel me, and to wash it out. Pre-wash. What I mean by pre-wash is washing the dirt out first, your first wash. All right, so you want to comb against the grain first, just like this. Pay close attention, y'all, for real. Pay close attention. So you want to comb it out first, boom. Combing it out. You know what I'm saying? Comb it out, boom. Comb the sides out. Against the grain first. So now everything combed out, you see? Everything combed out. I was woofing, of course. That's why I said this method is for the people who's woofing and who waves are already set. So this is how I get a full scramble wash in the shower. Do this and I promise you your curls will form. They will. No matter what type of hair texture you have. You know, your curls, some curls are gonna be more defined than others, but it's gonna be curls. Regardless if it's just not really a curl or if it's like a sponge type of curl. You know what I mean? Like if your hair is kind of more coarse, it doesn't matter, it's still curls. But you know, of course it's gonna differ depending on how, you know, how defined your hair is pretty much. If you got more fine hair, then you're gonna have bigger curls. But this is why we doing this, so that we can get our waves to be more fine and more healthy and more wider and bigger. And this is gonna work, so trust me. So I get in the shower first, I pre-wash pretty much. This is what I do, man, just basically rinsing it out real fast, you feel me, getting it real wet and all that, getting ready to throw some shampoo in there. So you wanna throw some shampoo in there, boom. This right here, I'm actually using the, I forgot exactly what shampoo I'm using, but I will link that in the description box below. I think it's the Argan Oil shampoo by Organics. For this one though, I'm using that. But I tend to use different shampoos depending, you know, I try different things. That's what you should do too. Try different things, see what works for you. All right. So the Argan Oil shampoo, you want to scramble wash that. Okay, in your hair. This is the first wash. That's why it's not that really lathered like that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's still dirty. You know what I mean by lathered is more sooty. You know what I'm saying? More soapy. Now the second time you see when I do it, it's gonna be more soapy. You feel me? Watch. As soon as I put it in my hair, you want to scramble wash it. So that's how your curls will form like that. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's more soapy? Because it's a second wash. The first one was the pre-wash. This right here is the official wash. So, and actually when you're doing this, man, I promise y'all, it feels good when you're doing this, bro. Like, if you got, like if your hair was itchy and real dirty, man, and you doing this, you scratching it, going like this, all you gotta do is when you scramble wash, do this to your hair. When you doing that, that is definitely going to, come on, honesty, you mentioned in my video, baby. You're too loud. That is definitely going to make your waves form, and it's going to feel good when you're doing that, trust me. Because you're kind of scratching it, you know, itching it, whatever. But it's not going to affect your scalp or nothing. It's not going to irritate it or anything, you know what I'm saying? Then you rinse it out, boom. Okay. So now when you rinse it out, after you rinse it out thoroughly, make sure it's already fully rinsed out. You want to put your conditioner in. You know what I'm saying? You put your conditioner in, boom. You scramble that in too as well. Once you scramble that in, you just rinse it straight out. You know, you condition your hair, it's making it more softer, it's making your waves, your curls more defined. You know what I'm saying? So we done. Now we fresh out the shower. So right here is basically the results of the scramble wash. You know what I'm saying? When you woof it. You see how my curls look dope? But I am a coarse hair wearer, you heard that. But my hair is just more healthy. So it's not curly like as if, you know, a person who has healthy hair, like defined, more defined curls. It'd be more looser. But you know, in due time, it will definitely work. No, I ain't telling you it's gonna work right away. Baby, you too loud, okay? Let me get this for you. I ain't telling you it's gonna work right away. Like, you gotta have patience, man. Like, do this twice a week.
This method is only, and I repeat, only for waivers that hair is already trained.
Okay, now what I'm doing right here, basically, what you wanna do is, Dreamy, you're too loud, okay? Hold on, yo, I'm about to put her in the bouncer in there. Alright, dang. Alright, my bad, I'm back now, man. I had to go put her in the bouncer for a second. Anyways, man, now let's get it, man. So pretty much right here now, this step right here, I'm just showing you guys the where you should comb from. Start from your crown area. People might think that's a bald spot or whatever, but it's not a bald spot. It is actually a crown area. And I have two of them, as you can see. I have one right here, on the left side and one on the right. And you can clearly see that from when I curl my hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't make part of it or nothing. It's just, it shows. You know what I'm saying? Your crown gonna show if your hair not all that long too, because my hair wasn't extra long yet. But anyways, man, a crown pretty much, your hair starts growing first from your crown. It's gonna be swirled or whatever. But my pattern is a beehive pattern. So pretty much you start from your crown, comb from the crown down to your hairline, okay? That's what I'm doing, you know? Combing from my crown. You know, I'm getting my waves back now. This is how I got my curls. Got it defined. You know what I'm saying? See, my crown forming. Now I'm combing. Getting my waves back. Combing it back. You're basically scramble washing to get a good thorough wash, to clean your hair real good. Now apply the shampoo with the grain of your wave pattern. Put it in. Once you put it in, boom. You want to brush it in. But brush from your crown first though. That's how you gonna get your waves set. Brush from the crown first. See, get a good brush session in. I say brush about 30 minutes. Get a good 30-minute session in with a hard brush. But if it's real hard and it's gonna hurt your head, don't brush with it. Try medium. But you want to have a brush that makes you want to have a brush that will move your hair in the direction that you're trying to, you want it to go. You will see. You will make sure when you're doing it, you will see your hair moving. So when you're washing your hair, it is very important to, that your angles and everything's on point. That's why I recommend that you use a mirror when you're brushing, because angles are very important. You can gain forks and all that because your hair is easily moving when your hair is wet. All right. So make sure that you carefully brushing with precision, and use a mirror so that way you're gonna be on point with it. You ain't messing up. So you just basically styling it right now. You're styling it. And this is the best way to wash your hair in 2018. I promise you. I promise you. Each time you wash your hair, if you're woofing, do this. You know what I'm saying? See, boom. You see how, But basically what I did was I confused my hair. My hair was, it wasn't really, well, I could say it was dirty, but it had a lot of, it was dirty though, but it wasn't like stupid dirty like that. I remember when I washed it, it wasn't stupid dirty, but you're defining your curls when you scramble washed in the shower. And that's stretching your curls now. So you're confusing your hair, and that's gonna help your waves to get wider and to move. So definitely define it. So you put more, basically you put more in, a little bit more. If it's dry a little bit, you wanna put a little bit more, and you wanna make sure your hair is real sooty. But it's okay, it don't matter if you put a lot in, because you're gonna rinse it out anyways, you'll see. Trust the process. So I'm getting my crown and everything ready. After you brush your hair and all that, and you put more soap in your hair, make sure that it's sooty and everything, lather it up. Make sure you use your hands after that. Make sure your crown and everything is set in place before you throw your DURAG on, okay? That's the most important part, of this method. So after you rag up, throw the rag on real fast, boom. However you throw your DURAG on, you know what I'm saying? You get in the shower, okay? However you throw your DURAG on, keep the soap in your hair. You get in the shower with your DURAG on. Then you rinse it out. You rinse it out, bruh. But make sure that you rinse all of it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, even if you gotta rinse it out for 10 minutes, it doesn't matter. You wanna make sure all that soap is out your hair, okay? So you won't damage your hair, because it's not good to leave soap in your hair at all. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if it's all natural soap or whatever. It doesn't matter. The shampoo, you don't want to leave it in your hair. Rinse that junk out, all right? And then after that, man, once you get out the shower, you know what I'm saying, and your hair is all wet and all that, your DURAG gonna be wet, of course, because you just rinsed it out. You let it dry. I recommend that you go outside if it's a sunny day or something, it will dry faster that way. It take about 2 hours. If you're not outside and you're just chilling around the house, it's gonna take about 3 hours to fully dry. You know what I'm saying? But to make the process faster, the drying process faster, get like in the sun or something, or you also can if you have like a heater or whatever, you know what I'm saying, a heater or whatever, you can sit under the heater, let it dry. Or if you have a fan, make that fan blow. That's what I do a lot. I sit by the fan, I just let it blow in my hair, and my do-rag and all that, and it dries. The drying process will be ultra faster. All right, then after that, you unrag. Do not, I repeat, do not keep your, do not unrag until your hair is fully dry. That's another important part of this method, man. All right, but it's pretty much that's it, man. I'm gonna show you the results right now. You know what I'm saying? This video is pretty old. It's like a year old, but I still got waves. I still do this, and I just wanted to, you know, bring it back for you guys and let you guys know this is real right here. So do not sleep on this method. Always do it when you woofing. Don't do it unless your hair is fully trained. You know what I'm saying? It don't have to be fully trained, but as long as it's trained though. You know what I'm saying? Once you pass the ripple stage and you have waves, this process right here will definitely break your forks. You know what I'm saying? It will definitely progress you. When you get a haircut, after you get a haircut, you know what I'm saying, later on, whatever, when you woofing, whenever you're done with your woof and you get a cut, you will see. Thank me later, trust me. So anyways, this is the results right here. Let me show you guys. You know what I'm saying? And my waves don't look like this. I got less forks. My waves better than this right now, actually. You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably got about 3 or 4 forks right here. Now I only have about 1 fork, so my waves look better. But yeah. I'm telling you, man, this is a good product. This is a good method, man. Definitely. That was 10 weeks woofing, as you can see. So that's it, man. That's it for the method, man. This is it for the video. And yeah. Once again, okay, these are okay. Let me tell you the important stuff, because I don't want you guys to forget this. First off, don't do this method unless your hair is trained. Okay. Second off, don't unrag after you get done doing the method. Don't unrag until your hair is fully dry, because then it'd be a waste of this whole thing that you just did. And third, trust the process. Trust the process, you feel me? With that being said, man, yeah, man, that was fast and easy. It take about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour for this process. You know what I'm saying, depending. And yeah, man, that's how I wash my hair when I'm woofing. And that's the best way, and that's how you should wash your hair in 2018 when you're woofing. I got another video coming how I'll wash my hair when it's short, coming soon. So with that being said, man, thanks for watching, man. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Come on, man. Hit that. Also, after you subscribe, hit that bell on the side, man. Show love, hit that bell on the side, man. Join the PB Gang family, man. Come on, we right here, man. We chilling. All right? Join, man. Also, I got another channel that I'm about to be making. Let me not spill the beans. Now, I will talk about that in another video, all right? But I'm out of here, man. I love y'all. Deuces.